Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Tuesday, September the 11th, 2018. Yes, today is 9/11. So we remember 9/11. We remember where we were on 9/11, what we were doing on 9/11. I remember it very well. You've heard me talk about it over the years here on YouTube. Different events and sets of circumstances that resulted as a result of 9/11. And you heard me talk about things in the markets. I've even showed charts and I've shown a bunch of different things regarding 9/11. So to commemorate and to remember 9/11, for those of you that follow me on Twitter, that's the Vulcan at the Vulcan Report on Twitter. You will see that a link to a entry on my blog regarding remembering 9/11. There's a lot of powerful information taken from all over the net. Extraordinary documentaries, all types of stuff. And I guarantee you there will be things on there that you have either not heard or seen before. As a matter of fact, my blog has been around longer than my YouTube channel, I think. My YouTube channel, I started like back in 2008 or 2009, one of those. But I think my blog was a little bit before that. I don't remember. It's been so long. Anyway, on my blog, I have literally thousands of entries on a bunch of different topics. Do yourself a favor and peruse the blog. You may be shocked at what you find. And that's pulscan.blogspot.com. Again, that's pulscan.blogspot.com. And the link to that is at the bottom of this video in the description section. All right. As well as follow me on social media and the website, pulsewavetrading.com, all that good stuff. All right. So much going on right now. Hopefully you guys had the opportunity to catch me on the Rogue Money Tuesday Terror Dome show with V today. If you did not, you want to go ahead and check that out. Also, we dealt with a lot of different topics. We talked about the hurricane that's coming and it's affecting the markets and all that good stuff. So for right now, I just want to show you all a couple of things regarding these markets, all right? For those of you who've been with me for a while, you've heard me explain time and time again the difference between algorithms versus the charts that you see here. Algorithmic charts are quite different. All right, the data sets are different, and it doesn't not to negate the chart itself, because the chart tells you a lot of things, but it just doesn't show and tell you everything. And we explained why the turning momentum could lead to a change in trend in the market. Looking at this weekly chart, you might not be able to see what's going on. So I'm going to switch it over to a daily chart to help you get a better understanding of what I'm saying here. The Russell 2000 is now taking a leadership role in your indices right now. You're showing right here a downtrend channel that has formed. Therefore, the market is in correction mode at this time. Momentum has been coming off, all right, and turning bearish. And right now, the price action is threatening to drop below current trend line support of 17.1720. If that happens, it's going to open up the 1696 trend line support. closes below that consecutively would cause prices to drop below the Kumo cloud. All right, and then you could be in a world of hurt and looking at trend change at that point. So a lot of things are happening geopolitically and just all over the map. And you need to start paying attention to the price action. You definitely want to start paying attention to the price action because momentum often leads price. And right now the momentum is pointing downward. All right, so now we're just waiting for the price action to confirm this. But so far, it's looking like prices are turning at this point. The Russell seems to be leading the way. All right, there was a bid in the crude oil today because of the coming hurricane. Make no mistake, though, you're in the downtrend channel in the crude oil in the daily chart also, and right now you're trading right at that resistance level. I see prices coming smack down once the hurricane passes by next Tuesday. So you can see the market just kind of float around here, but then come next Tuesday, once the dust settles, prices come back down again. And I think that's what you're seeing right here. So this is buy the rumor, sell the fact. Taking a look at the natural gas as well. Also caught a bid here for, this is day number 3, all right, that you're working on here, but bumping up against resistance. Sellers will most likely enter the market up in these areas. And we should begin to see another leg down possibly by the end of next week, if not sooner. Taking a look at Hack. All right, Hack is, it closed above that $40 again. All right, and is on an upward trajectory, which means that we're not out of the woods as far as cyber security goes and cyber threats. All right, this is what you're seeing now. It's a big deal, folks. Do not take your eyes off of that. Also taking a look here at your gold. All right, gold is trying to hold off. All right, it's trying to mount a comeback rally. It wants to do something, but this overhead 1223 resistance is a powerful resistance. This trend line is really shown to be a powerful resistance. I think the rally is pretty much running out of steam now, and the market is ready to come back here and take out this pointer back here of 1167.10. All right, market's still extremely bearish and still struggling. Taking a look at silver. As you can see here, same thing with silver. I did warn you a couple weeks ago that silver was threatening to fall into the $13 handle. Well, you did that. We just hit $13.96, folks. And this is a pointer, and I'm expecting price to go deeper and to at least get near that $13.50. And depending on what kind of a low we get, we could even spike down to the $12 handle briefly. Maybe not close there, but probably see a spike low. So just be careful on that. There's nothing bullish on this chart. The momentum is really picking up to the downside. You're just in a bear market. All right. Eyes and ears open on the silver. All right. Looking at the bond market, as you can see, is in free fall again. Every rally being sold, all right, in an orderly fashion. Market is threatening to drop into the 130s, okay? Lower bond prices equal higher yields, higher interest rates. Interest rates are going higher. You've already heard the Fed talk about 3-4 rate increases in the near-term future. That's on the table right now. Low bond prices swing the doors wide open for rate increases. All right. It's just what it is. Bond market's in a bear market now. Prices and trend lines are starting to drop below the Kumo cloud. That's mad bearish, no matter how you slice it. It is. It is. Looking at the US dollar. All right. It's in a downtrend channel. It's in a corrective mode, threatening to go bearish. Momentum crossing downward big time. All right, this is looking like it may not be able to make it to the rampage coming up here after September the 17th, and we could possibly see prices fall below the Kumo cloud, but before then. Right now, we'll see. Momentum is coming off, even though your trend lines and price action still above the Kumo cloud. Your momentum line has faded. All right, it's turned. The momentum has turned bearish. All right, so every little rally like here and here being sold. All right, so eyes and ears open, folks. Do what you have to do. Watch out for those crash alerts and those rally alerts. They do mean business. All right, you got to be careful of that. Just because I don't always have an opportunity to make a video doesn't mean the rally and crash alerts have not gone out. All right, tomorrow's pulse waves have already gone out. All those that subscribe to the weekly pulse wave price triggers have already been alerted to what's happening, and they already know what to look for tomorrow in tomorrow's trading. So again, pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.